Hi guys! So this week we are going to be reading a nonfiction text on Florida, and it's called Florida. So this week we are going to be reading this informational text in order to identify main ideas within the text, as well as details to support these main ideas. So many times when we are reading a nonfiction text, there will be multiple main ideas. So on each page, or not each page, but there will be different sections in this nonfiction text. So for example, the first section is on the location of Florida. So within this section of the text, there will be one main idea. Remember, the main idea is what this section is mostly about. Sometimes the main idea can be what the whole text is mostly about. So at the end of this text, you can decide the main idea of the entire text, but today what I want you to focus on is the main idea for each section in the text. So under the project objective in Mayan, you will read that I asked you to highlight 2 to 3 big ideas in the text. So for example, one of the main ideas in the text is that Florida is one of the world's top vacation spots. So then, after highlighting that main idea, you will underline 1 to 2 details from the text that will support each main idea. This may help you as you read to think about the main ideas. However, it will not be graded, so you can do that to help you read, but you do not have to. So when you are finished reading this text, you will go to the graphic organizer. So the graphic organizer is actually asking you to support one of the main ideas from the text with details from the text. So I have already given you the main idea, and the main idea I gave you is Florida is one of the world's top vacation spots. You will find at least 4 activities a person can do in Florida, and then describe each activity using details from the text. If you choose to find a different main idea and then use details from the text to support it, that is an option as well. Then you will answer the 2 written response questions, and then finally there is going to be a quiz in Edsby this week. It will not be on Mayan, it will be in Edsby, and it will be called the Florida Quiz. So last week I also gave you a bonus word. You got 2 extra bonus points if you are able to tell me the bonus point word. The bonus point word for this week is Orlando. Orlando is the bonus point word. If you enter the word Orlando in the extra credit assignment quiz, you will get 2 extra bonus points. Thank you so much for listening. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. Bye.